you think of our new listing at 2140 Santa Cruz Avenue, Menlo Park? You know, Menlo Commons, the active 55 plus community.
Active? 55 plus? I could live here. I could totally get my groove on here. I'm so excited to see what this has to offer. Come on, let's go check it out.
Let's go. Welcome to the resort-style living at Menlo Commons, an active 55-plus community in the desirable Sharon Heights neighborhood. Stylish updates throughout this light and bright penthouse include crown molding, updated kitchen with quartz counters and breakfast bar, an updated bathroom with in-unit laundry, walk-in closet, and an extra bonus space with infinite possibilities. The large balcony can be accessed from the living room or bedroom and has additional walk-in storage. The Menlo Commons complex is a secure building with underground parking and many amenities, including a swimming pool, spa, recreation room, and clubhouse. Conveniently located to Highway 280, Stanford, downtown Menlo Park, easy walking distance to Sharon Heights Shopping Center, and midway between San Francisco and San Jose International Airports.
Wow, I can certainly see myself living here. Matter of fact, I called my two nieces and they're on their way over. I told them it had a swimming pool, so they definitely want to check that out. This is an amazing opportunity, so don't hesitate. Give us a call. We're happy to show you. I'm Karen Fryling.
And I'm Rebecca Johnson, and together we're known as the duo with Intero Real Estate.
If you're looking to buy or sell, we're only one phone call away. With two sets of eyes, ears, and hands on the job, we've got you covered. Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh,
Cheers.
wait.
Yeah.
Oh, wait.
We've got you
Covered.
covered.
Cheers.
Cheers.
That's when it goes.
Yeah.
Rebecca always cheers.